Hi, Toby Barnett with Barnett Associates team and Keller Williams North Sound for another video. And this time I want to talk about, prepping your home for sale. So right now it's February. The weather outside is nasty. We've been having a lot of flooding and people are starting to think about, okay, I want to hit the spring market, but I'm not sure I can do anything right now because the weather's so bad and you can't mow the yard, you can't paint outside. So what can homeowners do right now if they're thinking about selling their home in the spring? And so I like to think of about is the inside things. What can a homeowner start doing and start planning for that doesn't require them to be outside and actually just get soaking wet and really not accomplish anything because storms are going to come in, things are going to change again. So here's a few things that I would recommend starting with if you're looking at spring. Because, before I get into that, I think one of the things that people get caught up in or get caught with is it's not going to take me that long to get ready to get the home ready for sale. It's just a few things. I just got to clean up. I just got to declutter a little bit and mow the yard and I'll be ready. That is not usually the case. So while we're in February and February and March, are wet months, what can homeowners do inside that can get their home ready for spring? So one, go buy some boxes and start decluttering the house. Start packing up all the non-essentials that you don't need and then label them and get them organized in the garage. Two, depersonalize the house a bit. Start taking off some of those family photos and start making your walls look big. Don't make them look bare, but make them look bigger. And then just patch those holes and repaint, retouch up so that step is done. Thirdly, just start looking at all maintenance items. We're talking stuff that would come up under home inspection. Is there any faucets or plumbing under countertops that might be leaking? Is there change your furnace filter, have your furnace serviced this time of year, or at least get it scheduled? And starting with those three things will get you far ahead. And then when spring really does come and you're getting your house exterior prep, which will come in a later video, then you're already ahead. That inside's already done. You've decluttered, you've patched holes, you've stored the non-essentials away, and you're more ready for photos and home inspection when that time comes. So, this is just a quick video on three things that you could have done to get your house ready during this wetter season to be ready for spring. Anyways, if you have any questions, please write it in the comments below. And feel free to like and subscribe for new videos. So we love to hear from you guys, and thanks for tuning in.